In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an overlay in CapCut so it tracks your subject, and I'll keep it simple and beginner friendly. This is a great trick if you want your text, image, sticker, or video overlay to follow a person or object as it moves across the screen. It makes your edits look much more professional, and it only takes a few steps once you know where to tap. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your main video clip is already on the timeline. This is the base clip that your overlay will track on top of. Once your timeline is ready, look for the overlay option at the bottom of the screen and tap it. From there, choose Add Overlay. CapCut will let you select an image, video, or other media from your device. Pick the overlay you want to use, and it will appear above your main clip on the timeline. Now that your overlay is added, the next step is to make sure it's selected. Tap on the overlay clip in the timeline so CapCut knows which layer you want to edit. When it's selected, look over to the right panel and find the tracking option. This is the feature that allows CapCut to follow a moving subject in your video. Tap Tracking and you'll see a motion tracking box appear on the screen. At this point, you want to carefully adjust the yellow tracking box. Drag it and resize it so it perfectly frames the subject or object you want to track. Try to make sure the target is centered inside the box and that the box is not too large or too small. The more accurately you place it, the better the tracking results will usually be. If you're tracking a face, a hand, a product, or a moving object, take a second here to line it up properly before starting the process. Once the tracking box is set, tap Start or Start Tracking. CapCut will now analyze the movement in your video and apply the tracking to your overlay. Depending on the length of your clip and the device you're using, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to process. After it finishes, your overlay should move along with the subject you selected. If it doesn't look perfect on the first try, don't worry. You can always go back, adjust the tracking box, and run the tracking process again. In some cases, zooming in, choosing a more visible subject, or using a cleaner motion path can improve the result a lot. This is especially useful if your subject moves quickly or passes behind other objects. Once you're happy with the tracking, you can fine-tune the overlay by moving it, resizing it, or adjusting its timing so it fits your edit better. You can also combine this with other CapCut effects like keyframes, animations, filters, or sound effects to make the final result even more dynamic. And that's it. You've now added an overlay in CapCut and made it track your subject. It's one of those editing tricks that instantly makes your content look more advanced, whether you're creating shorts, TikToks, Reels, or YouTube videos. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.